Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, hello, my name is Andrea and you're more than welcome to stick around and check out some other videos. So today I have another Punk Rave unboxing for you. I have my trusty package here. I went ahead and opened it up just for me to check what was inside. And in here I have the Gothic High Priestess dress with mask. I will show you in a bit what that looks like on their website, but I just wanted to talk a bit about the shipping, which basically took about 10 days to arrive from Australia to Romania, where I live, and that is not a lot of time at all. And of course I never had any problems with shipping, but I do encourage you to talk to customer service if you have any type of issue, because they're the sweetest people out there and they will be very helpful for you, as they have been for me. So this dress is a maxi dress. I love maxi dresses, as you probably already seen from my last Punk Rave unboxing, which I will link up here for you to see if you haven't seen it yet. But this one also features a high collar, like a turtleneck, that can be worn as a mask on the lower half of your face. I don't know what that will look like on me. I'm quite scared because I've never worn something like that before, but I'm sure that if I don't like it, I can just wear it down or like tuck it under. We'll see. So in order for you to understand what I'm talking about, let's go have a look at the dress on the Punk Rave Australia website. So this dress looks very form-fitting, and that's why I got it in a size FXS to FS. I figured out what my size is by looking at the global size chart, and in case you're not sure about your size, you can do the same. Just click on the FAQ tab that can be found by scrolling down for each and every item, and then click on the "Where do I find your size charts" option and access the link. So here's the size chart I'm talking about. Just measure yourself and compare your measurements to this, and you'll have no issue in figuring out your size. Okay, so let's move on to me unboxing this. I cannot wait. I am so excited. This is the post office bag that it comes in, and as you can see on the inside, the dress is also bubble wrapped. So I will just take this out and try and open it up. I'm sorry about the loud sounds. Okay, and inside the bubble wrap you get the usual Punk Rave bags. Why does this always happen? There we are. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like. It's so beautiful, and right off the bat I sense that it's really soft. So the dress is to die for, and I always say that about Punk Rave Australia items, but I always mean it. It's made out of an elastic cotton fabric that feels very soft to the touch. The upper part is decorated with fabric covered little buttons that look really cute, while the back features a hidden type of zipper that makes it easy for you to get in and out of the dress without stressing out the collar. The thing I like most though is the flared sleeve. No big surprise there. I'm a sucker for dramatic cuts, and I imagine this dress to be something that a dark elf would wear. It's really beautiful. This is the collar, the mask thingy that we were talking about. So this, I believe, covers your face like that. So we will need to check that out and see what it looks like. I imagine it would look something like this. Just ooh, I get like a really banded like thief feeling with this, and that's quite awesome. Of course, I really love the buttons that I was mentioning here in the front, and I love them just because they are covered in the same fabric as I mentioned, because I think the dress is really form-fitting. I got it in a size FXS to FS, which is extra small and small, and I'm really curious to see what it will look like Hopefully it will fit. Hopefully, but I'm sure it will. So now let's move on to me trying on the dress so you get a good feeling of what the dress looks like when it's worn on the body. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like the sort of videos that I make. A big thank you goes out to Rave Australia for sending over this wonderful dress. I cannot wait to actually wear it, and just because it's made out of cotton, it gives like a more casual feeling, and I can wear it in my day-to-day life without any issues. And yeah, that was it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you all in my next one. Bye.